How to transfer money from Visa gift card to Cash App. So, Cash App is a popular mobile payment service that allows users to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases. While Cash App does not directly support gift cards, there are a few other ways to transfer money from a gift card to a Cash App. Transferring gift card funds to the Cash App is simple. Open the app, tap on the balance, and then add cash. Enter your desired amount, select gift card, and enter the card details. Review and confirm. And then your gift card balance joins your Cash App cash. And here are the steps to transfer money from the gift card to Cash App. First of all, begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Navigate to the Balance tab, located at the bottom of the screen. Proceed by tapping on Add Cash, input the desired amount for the transfer, and tap Add. Choose gift card as your payment method, and provide the necessary gift card details such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Tap on the Add card to complete the process. Review the transfer information and confirm. Your money will then be moved from the gift card to your Cash App balance, allowing you to send it to other users. Withdraw to your bank account or make purchases at the Cash App accepting merchants. So this was all about how can you transfer money from the Visa gift card to the Cash App. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.